People are often confused what packaging means for YouTube videos. And it's very simple. There are 5 T's when it comes to packaging. And the 5 T's work like this. You got to do a little topic research, okay? You got to figure out in your niche, what is a topic that is trending. So topic and trending are the first 2 T's of the 5. And once you've done your research and you found out what's trending in your niche, then you got to go ahead and not write the script. The script comes later. You got to go in the order that your users will find you, okay? And I'm talking about most likely not searches, but I'm talking about what is offered for your viewers. And it comes in their feed, suggested for you, okay? You get it. We all get it, suggested for you. Most people nowadays, they go to those videos that are suggested for them if they don't already subscribe to it. Okay, so the next thing is you got your topic and you think, okay, so what should I do next? You should come up, now it can go in one order or the other. A lot of people like to do their thumbnails first. A lot of people come up with their titles first because the thumbnail will lead you to the title. And the thumbnail should have 3 elements in it. It should have some 3 or 4 words of basic text of what your video is about, and it should always spark curiosity. Curiosity is key. What is it that's going to lead them to read the title down below? So have maybe a picture of you, and then have some text saying, this is what things happen in real estate. Question mark, not even a question mark, but say, problems to 4 words. Let's think of it right off the bat. Avoid these mistakes is always a good one, right? Because I was like, okay, avoid what mistakes? And then it should have, like I said, a picture of you and then a nice little background, whatever it is, something simple. 3 elements, 3 layers. Something in the foreground, something in the middle, and something in the background, okay? Okay, so that's the thumbnail. And then the title should have a little bit more details in it, okay? Avoiding these mistakes will propel your business 10 times, okay? I really want to know what these are. I'm very curious. And then they're going to click. That's all part of the packaging. And then ultimately, go ahead, use some generative AI, ChatGPT to help you write your scripts, come up with some sort of ideas, go back into that script, fine tune it, make it yours. I do that quite often. I'm not doing it here. I'm doing it off the cuff, seeing how this works because I don't have much time today because I'm sort of on vacation here for 4th of July week. And then what's most importantly is just don't post any time. vidIQ is a platform that I use that helps me to decide what is the best time to post. There's also another platform called TubeBuddy. They have great tools that suggest based on when your viewers are online and to post. So that's timing. That's the 5th one. Okay, so there we go. We got trending, topic, thumbnail, title, the topic. Did I mention that? And thumbnail, title, and go ahead and do the timing part. Okay, that's it. That's what YouTube packaging means. Okay. Package. Don't just go out there without a plan. If you fail to plan to fail. And don't worry about AI. AI is also important because people say like, ooh, I'm scared of AI. I don't know what to do about AI. Well, don't worry. AI is not going to take your job. People using AI will take your job. Remember that. All right. If you like this video, go ahead and click subscribe. If you want to see more, click like also. And I got 2 more videos. The top one I chose for you. So if you like this next one, go ahead and click that one. And then the algorithm has suggested a video just for you. That's the bottom one. All right, take care. We'll see you on the next video.